the right, go to the right, go to the right, go to the right. Oh! I think we're stopped.
Yeah, we are. Holy fuck. That's pretty bad, but it's so fucking bad you don't know whether you're moving or not. Holy fuck, I'm gonna get charged for impeding.
These fucking guys from Ontario, they drive with the flashlight out the fucking window so they can see what the hell's going on.
Actually, you want to keep watching out the front. Okay, see fuck all out there now. It's fucking picked up. I can kind of see the lane over here. There's no fucking lights. Wonder. Just bear with me here. I'm just worried about losing my safety boots. Yeah, this is new to me. I've never driven in anything like this before.
Wow.
We've only got 28 fucking kilometers. Which way?
You gotta come right.
I don't think I was drifting. I think the road was turning a little bit.
Okay. I'll take your word for it. There it is.
I can kind of see now.
Too far, too far, too far.
I bring up all these how-to things for, say, 18th century technology. Personally, I'd much rather fly back to, say, 18th century technology rather than caveman days in a Mad Max scenario. So, when my technology fails, I try to cover first aid.
Back to the right again. The road's turning.
How they go back there, boundary and melt down an engine block.
Do you want to watch ahead of us? I can see clearly over here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Never need it. And there's some really great tools like alternative healing things that can help out tremendously.
Is he moving?
Maybe you've got MRSA and that's full resistance gas infection, and they're telling you they got to cut your arm off.
It's in the right lane, anyways.
And you look up.
It's a car?
It's a fucking truck, car.
Super generator and the super is not
Car and a truck.
There's a truck in front of him.
Never fucking stop, man.
What are you doing?
I know people who personally say amputation, new person, healing, much simpler.
That's a U-Haul.
It's great to go for a line. You know,
Oh, look at the traffic jam.
Your go back, because if you can't go far,
Fucking get in behind me, boys. I'm a pro.
Come on! We're going to Ontario! Take a look at this fucking
You see the road over there?
Yep. Come, yep.
Come your way?
I can't see anything, but you got, you're in the, keep coming. All right, straighten her up, you're in.
Well, the idea of stopping on this fucking highway,
It's ludicrous.
you never stop on the fucking highway.
You going back across to the left again?